Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right. So today we're gonna be learning some very nice sound 3/6 chord in the key of F. So I don't like to waste your time, right? So I'll just play it and then show you the chords, right? So you can start playing them also in church. Yeah, I'm your practical teacher. So before this, please click the like button. Please, I beg you in the name of God, please click the like button. And also you can tell me where you're watching from in the comment section. I like doing this in my videos, right? So I just love that. So, and I'm sure you like it also. So just tell me where you're watching from. Yeah, okay, God bless you. So let's get to this. We're gonna be in the key of F today. So we have a F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, right? So right, so let's check this out. This 736 chord voices, right, in the key of F. So it goes like this. For you are great, you do miracles so great, there is no one else like you, right? Okay, so there is no one else like you, for you are great, you do miracles so great, there is no one else like you. Oh, there is no one else like you. Okay, so let's get to business. I don't just play these things. I show you these stuff in every of my video, and I'm so glad that I get testimonies every day of people that are learning greatly from this channel, that are improving in their churches, getting good recommendations, as in people loving their playing, and I'm so grateful that most times they come. And I encourage you also, if you've been learning here, it doesn't cost much to just testify on the channel. You can even bless me, you can send donations. It's not bad, right? It's not bad. It just helps me to keep doing this to other people also, right? I mean, it's not everybody that plays well and wants to share. So yeah, so we should be encouraged. God bless you in Jesus' name. Okay, so it goes for you are great. So the progression is a 736, 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4, right? So 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Okay, so let's do this. So the 7 chord has I played something like this. Woo! So what chord is this? This is wow, really? This is E13 chord, right? Okay, we have a 1, we have 3, we have flatted 7, we have 9, we have right? 9. Yeah, we have 11 rather, not 13, please. Pardon me, yeah, 11 chord, E13, E11 dominant 11 chord. So right, so that's we have a E and A flat on the left. On the right you have a D, F sharp, and we have A. So on the left, E and A flat. On the right you have a D, F sharp, and A. So that's the first chord. For you are great, you do miracles so. Hang it right there, right? So on 3 we have a 3, 7, 9. I've showed you this one very well a couple of times. We have a C sharp major 7 with a sharp 5, right? Or third chord, right? On the left. On the right, so we have a C sharp, F, A, and C. So the 6th chord is a very powerful chord also, right? Let me just call the notes for you. There's one. Okay. There's something I was trying to remember. So on the left you have a 2. Sorry, I'm not in the key of C. I thought I was in the key of C now. All right. So we have a 6, 3, 5 on the left. On right we have a 7, right? We have a 9, we have a sharp 5, and we have a 13, right? So, for you are great, you do miracles so great. So we do something like A, B, C sharp. So on left you have a flat 6 and your 3. On right you have your 3 major chord, 3 major, second inversion. Yeah, so your 3, 1, 2, 3. This is your 3, so you play the major chord, right? Yeah, so then 5. We have a 5. 5 on the left. We have a 5. We have a 5. 9, and then 9, 10, and then 11. I don't know why 11 sounds like that to me today. All right, on right hand we have a flattened 7th, your 9, your 11, and then your 13. Then this chord, let me just call the notes. Right, on left I have a E flat, the diminished chord, half diminished chord on left, E flat, G flat, and then A. Right, so I have that on the left. On right I have a what chord is this? Okay. So we have a E flat, G flat also, A. Okay, another diminished chord. So we have a E flat, G flat, we have a A, and then we have a D flat. So then to your 4. So on 4 we have a B4, 1, 5. On right you have a 6, 1, 3, 5. So together it goes, for you are great, you do miracle. Instead of this, I can do, right? Bless me. So I can do for you are great, you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. 3, 6, there is no one else like you. I've taught all this on the channel already. 3, 6. If you're looking for 3, 6, I mean, I have over 500 piano tutorials on this channel. Oh. Yeah, so there's really, of course, there are new stuff I'm playing, but most of the stuff that I play also, there are stuff that I've already taught in the channel. So just check some of those other videos. So don't forget to click the subscribe button, right, for many of the other tutorials. Right, God bless you. Thank you.